Yo, what's up everybody? We're back here on the channel. We're in the garage again and we're getting some work done. We're about to show you what we've been up to with this rear bumper support and the fuel tank and everything we got going on the 3-valve swap. We're doing some updates and we didn't even drive the thing yet. So here we have it. So we're back. Got the rear bumper. We're gonna get a new one of these brackets, rear bumper bracket. It's crusty and dusty and rusty. The fuel tank. We got the vent valve on. Plastic tank shield. And this is the old bumper support. It was a task getting it out. I'm gonna show you just how much it weighs. So put it on there, and this thing weighs 44 pounds. So the other one weighs about probably 6. So to get that out, we had to take the brackets, shocks off the actual bumper support, you know, use a little PB blaster, heat them up a little bit, hit them back and forth. And then these are the bolts. This one broke, this piece, because it's like an insert kind of. But these are the bolts that I'm supposed to reuse, and they go through here, and that's how it bolts to the frame of the car, and that's what holds it in. So that's the factory one. So almost a 38-pound weight loss, and this is the one from MAF Racing. We got the same exact one in a Coyote swap, but we have to get down here, and then where the bolts went through right there, you can see I kind of marked it with a marker. So we mark that side. And we'll mark that side. Yeah, good view of the panhard bar without the tank in there. So this will come out, and then there's no bumper support on there, and then you can see the mark. Gotta drill these out. Gotta drill the holes out big enough for those bolts to go through. For these bolts to go through. We're gonna drill that out, get it painted, and get it in. And after we get it in, we're gonna reinstall the tank, scrap that, and maybe give some of the underneath of it a little bit of coat of painting or so. And then we gotta fix this little hole right there. It's behind the quad shock bracket. But that's what the underneath of it's looking like. So yeah, stay tuned for them updates on this tubular bumper support install. Get the gas tank back in. So keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons and keep tuning in. Till them next videos. Peace.